welcome to Mask Obsession, where every day I review a new beauty mask. Today I'm going to be reviewing the By Nature from New Zealand Vitamin C and Collagen Hydrating Face Mask. So I'm first just going to start out by reading the front and the back. So it says, enriched with skin brightening vitamin C, antioxidants, and plumping collagen to leave skin replenished and radiant. Then it goes on to say it's a 10-minute mask, a nutrient-rich and moisturizing mask combining the goodness of vitamin C with collagen to help promote firmness and elasticity while giving skin the moisture it deserves. Key ingredient benefits. Vitamin C. Vitamin C has many properties the skin can benefit from, such as evening out skin tone and improving hydration. Its natural antioxidant properties help to reduce inflammation and promotes healthy collagen production. All the benefits help to keep the skin looking refreshed and radiant for longer. And then it says collagen. Marine collagen in By Nature unique face mask formulation helps soothe and moisturize the skin while promoting firmness and elasticity. So, per usual, I'm going to start out by toning my face with my Garnier toner. Okay, and it definitely says to squeeze this mask before using it. I'm definitely just going to give it a little squeeze here. Okay. Well, it definitely smells like oranges, so that's nice. Okay, and it says to leave the mask on for 10 minutes, so I'll check back. Okay folks, so it's been about 10-15 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and take the mask off. So overall, I definitely like the mask. It smelled like oranges, which was great. It also stayed moist the entire time it was on my face, and I left mine on for more like 20 minutes as opposed to 10. So overall, I really have nothing bad to say about it. So for this reason, I'm going to give this mask a 10 out of 10. Also, this mask costs $2.50 from Walmart.com, which I feel like is very reasonable. So thanks so much for tuning in today, folks. Tune in tomorrow when I'll review the Freeman Bust Boosting and Toning Sheet Mask. Thanks so much.